Ever wondered why some knitting projects turn out just right and others not so much? In this video, I'll tell you 3 secrets that will ensure your colors and patterns always come together beautifully, transforming your knitting from almost to amazing. The first ingredient is unity. Unity brings everything together in harmony. It glues each part of your design together, creating a seamless and cohesive look. Unity is about making things match and mix perfectly so that your designs feel complete. When done right, you feel it. It starts with thoughtful color choices and continues with the pairing of patterns and those beautiful aha moments when everything clicks. You can create unity too in your designs. The simplest way to achieve unity is through repetition. Remember, every part of your design is equally important. Repetition in lines, repetition in shapes, and repetition in colors all work together to create unity. This repetition forms a pattern you can predict, giving your design a sense of structure. It creates rhythm, a natural flow within your design. And this is something that's easy to recognize because we see these patterns all the time in nature. But unity alone isn't enough. So, what's the second ingredient? The second ingredient is variety. Variety adds that special touch, a bit of spice to your design. It's what makes your work stand out and feel unique. Variety is created by adding differences. You can add an element to introduce variety, or remove something and use white space to create contrast. This technique makes your design more interesting and exciting to the viewer. But how exactly does variety work its magic? It does it by creating contrast, and contrast is all about difference. Our eyes are naturally drawn to contrast. That's what makes things stand out. Whether it's a difference in color, texture, or scale, contrast grabs our attention. But wait, too much variety can lead to visual chaos. It can overwhelm the design and confuse the eye. This is where balance comes into play. Balance helps everything feel right. Balance gives you that aha moment when everything feels just right. It's when your design feels complete and satisfying. So how do you achieve balance? Balance is all about the feeling. It's either symmetrical or asymmetrical. Symmetrical balance feels stable, calm, and elegant, bringing a sense of order and calm to your design. While asymmetrical balance feels dynamic, energetic, modern, and innovative. But how do you master balance in your design? Before you place any design element, think carefully about its impact. Each element carries its own visual weight that needs to be balanced. Dark colors carry more weight than lighter ones. Big patterns feel heavier than smaller ones. And textured areas feel heavier than smooth ones. Design elements can either feel light or heavy. And understanding that is crucial for balance. By grasping the visual impact of each element, you can find the right balance, and that's the key to achieving harmony in your work.